Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Zip Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Zip Finance login. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you have to type in your email address and your password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on apply now and create a new account. And here you can see another option as sign in as merchant. You can click here and you will be logging in as merchant. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Zip Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.